Men's clothing: belts, boots, cap, jacket, jeans, pajamas, pants, hoodie, raincoat, shirt, t-shirt, shoes, sweats, shorts, socks, hats, sweater, underpants, pullover, flip-flops, glasses, wallet. Examples: buy: I buy a red shorts. Buy underpants. Buy glasses. Pay: pay the wallet. Pay the pullover. Pay the cap. Needs: I need a suit. Julio needs a hat. Alexander and John need 2 belts. Want: I want a red cap. Julio wants a black boots. Do you want a white suit? Pay for: pay for the jacket. Pay for the wallet.